This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Topsy!
Just like you, just like us,
Hey,
and
Tim.
we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
It's us, Topsy and Tim. Listen, someone's coming. Come on. New clothes. It's Mossy! Hello, Mossy. Whenever Mossy the dog arrives, Grandma is always close behind. Hello. Hello, Grandma.
Hello, lovelies.
Your hair looks different, Grandma.
Yes. Do you like the red? It took the hairdresser all morning to colour it.
I think you look pretty. Mummy, can I have red hair like Grandma?
No, I don't think so, Topsy.
Oh.
Where's my hello, Grandma Huggle?
Squeeze!
Who wants to help me unpack the shopping?
Me! I do!
Go on then. Now I've got something.
What did you get? We love seeing what Mummy's bought at the shops. What's in the bag?
Show you, you two are both getting bigger and you're growing out of the clothes that you're already wearing. So, Topsy, for you, new big girl jeans.
Wow, they've got butterflies on them. Look, Dad. Look, Tim.
Well done, Mummy.
And for you, Tim, I got these. What do you think?
I just want new clothes.
Come and have a look. Look, these ones have got a dinosaur on them. Are they a good choice? What do you say?
Thank you, Mummy.
Good boy.
Thank you, Mummy. I love my new jeans. Grandma! Grandma! Look at my new jeans! Look, Grandma. I've got butterflies on my new jeans. May I try them on now, please, Mummy?
Yeah, of course you can, Topsy. Tim, do you want to try your new dinosaur jeans on now?
No. Mossy needs a biscuit.
Right.
Here you go. Sit. Sit. And take it, Mossy. Good girl.
No more.
No. You don't need any more, see?
Well done, Tim. Now,
more.
double wash your hands, please.
What's that?
It's a special chart designed to show how tall you are compared to different animals.
I want to be as tall as a dinosaur.
Okay, well, dry your hands and we can see how tall you are.
Like a brachiosaurus.
Come on. Height chart, come on. And stand against the wall for me. Stand up straight. Perfect. All right, let's see how tall you are. And step away. Look, you are a cheetah. As tall as a cheetah from nose to tail.
Rawr. Rawr.
Fastest land animal in the world, apparently.
Wow.
How fast can you run?
Rawr. Whoopsie-daisy. Rawr.
Steady, Tim. Goodbye, Grandma Huggle, please. I've got a bus to catch.
Whee! Rawr.
Rawr. Come on, Mossy. Time to go. Good girl. There we go. Lead on.
Bye-bye, Mossy.
Oh, bye-bye, Mossy. Got her now. That's it. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, Mossy. Bye, Grandma.
Bye-bye.
Topsy,
Bye-bye.
can you carry that up to the bathroom for me, please?
Okay, Mummy.
Thank you. Bye, Jean.
Bye, love. I'll see you in your dinosaur jeans next time I pop over, Tim. Bye.
Guess what, Tim? Better look out. I've measured myself and I'm as tall as a gorilla. And this gorilla likes cheetahs so much he gobbles them.
Tim, will you try your new jeans on for me, please? Just to see if they fit.
Mummy, I don't want to. I like what I've got on.
Oh, darling, you and Topsy, you're getting bigger. And your clothes don't fit you anymore. You need new clothes. Oh, look. Do you remember these?
Oh, old T-shirt.
Grandma bought them for your 2nd birthday. Look how tiny they are. Oh, and look at these. Your little dungarees with holes in the knees.
Red for...
Topsy and blue for me.
Hey.
That's right. You used to wear these all the time.
I can't believe they ever fitted you, my big boy Tim. You know what? We need to get rid of some old clothes to make room for your new clothes. Topsy can help me find some bags.
Mummy, why have we always had matching twin clothes? And today, you've bought us different clothes.
Because you and Topsy are getting bigger. You're growing up. And you like different things now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I like dinosaurs. That's why you bought me dinosaur jeans.
That is exactly right. And I got Topsy sparkly butterflies on her jeans.
Because she likes butterflies.
Exactly that.
Tim, look at me, Tim. I'm wearing my old trousers as wings.
I've got them.
I'm a golden eagle. Dad measured me on the animal height charts. I can fly. Fly. Yes. Please try on your new jeans, Tim. I'm a golden eagle. I can fly. So I put on my new dinosaur jeans and guess what? I really like them.
You look all grown up, son.
What's for lunch?
Spaghetti bolognese. Those new dinosaur jeans fit you really nicely, Tim.
Thank you. Look at us. We're wearing different jeans. We're not twins anymore, Mummy. Oh, yeah.
Of course you are. You'll always be twins. You're my twins. You are twin-tastic Topsy and twin-tabulous Tim. You're just growing up, that's all.
And I think your bedroom isn't big enough for 2 growing twins and all their big clothes anymore, is it? It's not.
And that's when Mummy said, if we move house, you could each have a bedroom of your own.
If we move to a bigger house, you can each have a bedroom of your own. What do you think about that?
Would I be able to have butterfly wallpaper to match my jeans?
Yes, of course you would. Well, that's sorted. Now, double wash your hands. It's time for lunch.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, Mummy came back with some new clothes. But can you remember what clothes she bought us? Were they new shorts? Or were they new jeans? The answer is behind the clouds. Look, the answer is new jeans. Watch this. What's for lunch?
Spaghetti bolognese. Those new dinosaur jeans fit you really nicely, Tim.
Thank you. Look at us. We're wearing different jeans. We're not twins anymore, Mummy. Oh, yeah.
Of course you are. You'll always be twins. You're my twins. You are twin-tastic Topsy and twin-tabulous Tim. You're just growing up, that's all.
And I think your bedroom isn't big enough for two growing twins and all their big clothes anymore, is it? It's not because you're
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.